Hello, class. Today we're going to be exploring a digital feature called Easelly. On Easelly, you can create anything from infographics to cartoons. But for this assignment, we're going to be focusing on creating a digital infographic. So what you're going to do first is actually log in the top right corner. I've already logged in, and you can log in by creating an account or signing in through your Gmail. And once you get to this home page, what you're going to do is click on New Design, and you're going to choose a template. Now, you could create a blank page, but it's going to be a little bit more work. So I would instruct you to choose a template. So we'll wait for this to load. Then you can explore whatever infographics look good to you. So there's a lot on here. Some of them show features about different items. Some of them are more checklisty, pro and con, or compare and contrast. Some of them connect ideas to each other, and some of them focus more on statistics, while others focus more on timelines. So I think what we're going to do is start with one that looks like a timeline. So what you're going to do is find the template that you like, and you're going to go to Edit Graphic. Now, on this feature, there's a lot of different aesthetic details that you can play with, or ways that your infographic looks. So one way we can do that is go to graphics, and it provides you with a lot of different icons and photos that you can customize your infographic. So for example, if we're making an infographic about the Revolutionary War, we might go to war and we might replace some of these existing ones. So I just right clicked this one. I'm going to go ahead and cut it to remove it. And then I'm going to go back to graphics and insert something that resembles war. To change the size of this, you can drag the one of the corners to make it bigger or smaller. And this one's also really cool because it has little signs that indicate what year it was that your timeline is taking place. Now, to edit text, all you have to do is click on the text, double tap, and you can customize it as you'd like. If you don't have enough text boxes, you can always choose to add one here. Maybe I want another box right underneath the title, so I might go add a body text. It'll generate one for me, and then I can change the size and customize it like so. There you go. Um, so there's a few other fun things we can do. You can go to the background and you can change the color or format. You can also explore different templates if you decide that you like a different one. For example, here's this map right here that looks really cool. You can also put in charts. So if you find a website that has statistical data, you might want to put that in there in the form of a chart, and so that's where you would go about doing that. They also have pictograms. For example, you might want to use a pictogram if you have 3 of 4 people experience X issue. And to save it or share it, what you'll go to do is go to the top right corner, press share. And to submit this file to Canvas, once you're done with it, you will go to shareable link. It's glitching a little bit for me now. Well, technically, it should generate a link for you, but I believe my computer's acting up a little bit. So, share. You could also invite a friend to edit. You could add my email or share by email. But that is it for this. Like I said, there's a lot of different fun ways you can use this. I'm going to go ahead and save mine in the top left corner. And so then I can always go back and edit it later if I need to. So that is how we use Easelly. Please let me know if you have any questions on this assignment.